Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In the last tutorial, we showed you how to set up your Trello account, and I hope that was easy peasy for you. So in today's video, we'll be showing you how to make your board public in Trello. So to do that, we'll first of all head over to our Google Chrome here to the search bar, and we'll type Trello. Alright, and it will take us to this page. So to set your bot to public, would first of all log in. So rather than signing up like we did the last time, we'll simply click on login and it will navigate us to the next page. All right, we'll give it a few seconds to load, and when that does, you'll see that it will open you up to your Trello workspace. All right, so you simply head over to your Trello board and click on that. All right, so this is your Trello board. This is what it will look like on your screen. So when you do that, you would navigate to the top right corner here, and you would see three dots there that you can see on my screen. So we'll click on that. Right, having done that, you would see a variety of options for what we'll be focusing on to make our board public is the visibility and workspace. So you can see that the second option here, you click on that and you see a variety of options including private, workspace, organization, and public. For the purpose of this video, we want to set our board to public, so we click on public. Please do not double click, just click one and you see this option to change to public. So you simply click on yes, make board public. All right, so having done that, your board is set to public. As you can see here, visibility is made public. All right, if you want to change it to something else, you can always come back here to do that. So as you can see, your board has been set to public. It is relatively simple. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to us, and I hope this video was helpful for you and you'll be able to set your board to public. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.